Hey guys, I'm back and today I will show you how you can get a free awesome VST plugins. This is a super awesome plugin. I will show you in a minute, but first of all, let me thank you all for so much for 50 subscribers. Okay, that means a lot. I know it's not much, but just imagine a room full of 50 peoples. That's a huge numbers. I know it's not much, but thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. And if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe. It would means a lot. Okay, let's get to the point. And so the link is in the description. Okay, just click and it will lead you to this website. I've already made a video on this website. I told you that this site is pretty cool and awesome. You can find a lot of free VST plugins. And so here it is. It's the Ample Guitar M Lite 2. Okay, it's an acoustic guitar sound, and you can find all the information about this website. And it's developed by Ample Sound, and I'll also put the link to this site amplesound.net in the description, just in case if you want to check it out. Alright, so how to download? It's very simple. You if you're on Windows, you have to download this and this, depending on your versions. And for Mac, and this is for others, I don't know what that is, but yeah. And I'll download 64-bit version. So let's download that. Just click here. Okay, it's 461 megabytes. So my net speed is quite slow. It will take some time. Yeah guys, I'll get back in a second. I mean in a minute. I don't know how long it will take, and after it's download completed. So once you have downloaded it, it will be in RAR format. You have to extract it. Okay, and after extracting, you will get something like this, and you have to install the setup by clicking here. Alright, so here we have this plugin. Okay, it's really beautiful. It looks awesome. It have got lot of potential, I guess, and you can do a lot of stuff. And if you are good with guitars, and if you know how the music, the chords and everything, all this good stuff, I'm pretty darn sure you will be able to make hits with this. And this is anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like this tutorial. Just make sure to subscribe, please. It would means a lot. And thank you so much for 50 subscriber once again. It means a lot, and help me reach my goal. My next milestone will be 1000 subscriber, 1k subscribers. So yeah guys, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll come up with more such awesome tutorials. That's it guys, peace, I'm out.